Hey, and welcome back to Cooking with the Robies. Today I'm going to be cooking up a nice little meal for the family. I got some green beans that I've already snapped and washed. Got some potatoes here that are already rinsed out and cut. And then I bought some ribeye steaks from Costco. And they're looking pretty good. I'm going to be cooking these on a Weber outside. But let's get started. I'm gonna get these chopped up, the potatoes, get those chopped up in some boiling water. I'm gonna steam my string beans here, and then I'll show you guys how I'm gonna prepare these ribeyes. All right, let's get with it. All right, so let's get the ribeyes all prepared. These are some nice, thick 1¼ inch ribeye. Has quite a bit of marbling on it. Not as much as I would want, but this one has a little more marbling. I don't know if you can see it from here. But anyway, I'm going to start off with putting a little binding agent, which I'm going to use Worcestershire sauce. Don't need a lot. I'm just going to, just something for the seasoning to adhere to. And I'm going to be using some Kinder's, got it at Costco, some Kinder's wood-fired garlic seasoning. Not going to put that much. And then also some Kinder's lemon pepper. Well, this has pepper in it already, so until a lot of people, I see them put so much seasoning on this stuff, you know, you want to let the ribeye stand out. So it's my wet hand here. We'll go with the lemon pepper. I'm going to come back in with my wood-fired garlic. Yeah, I see a lot of people, I think they overdo it. Don't forget the sides. But I want my meat to stand out. Smells delicious, don't? Had my meat out at room temp. It's been at room temp for, I did 20 minutes. Just, it was in the refrigerator all night, so. That should be about it. Probably throw some black pepper on here. Just a little bit. So one more time. We're gonna let this sit for a minute. All right. And in the meantime, I got my coals going right now and my coal starter. And we'll be going out to the grill. All right, get back to you when I'm taking them out to the grill. Okay, I'm gonna be cooking on my Weber here. Those are almost ready. I'm gonna be putting it on only on one side, just because I want to have a hot zone and a cooler zone. But it's probably got 10 more minutes on this, and then I'll close her up, bring the steaks out. All right, so I think my coals are hot enough. I'm gonna be dumping these on one side. Okay. Okay, put the grill back on. Then I'm gonna get my searing plate because I'm gonna sear these. So I'm gonna stick this in now so they get nice and hot. And we'll wait till that sears, gets ready, bring the steak out. All right, we got this all seared up. Got my meat here. I'm gonna spray a little butter flavor cooking grease on there. And we're gonna be adding these. We're gonna sear this way first. Gonna give it a little press down. Now, I don't know how you guys like your steak. I like mine medium well. So that's the way I'll be doing it. So we're gonna sear 2 minutes on one side. Then I'm gonna flip it. All right, put the top on. I got the bottom vent all the way open. I'm gonna be cooking this. I'm gonna leave all the vents just wide open. But I want this to stay as hot as possible. All right, so I got my 2 minutes on that side. Now I'm gonna check under it. See how we looking. Oh yeah, looking good. So we're gonna take this. We had it that way. Now I'm gonna take it, put it that way. Then we're gonna put the top back on. Gonna let another 2 minutes on this side. Then we're gonna flip it. All right. Okay, we got 2 minutes done. Now let's do it the opposite way. Flip her over. Look at those sear marks. We're gonna go 2 minutes this way, then I'll flip it again. All right, so now we're gonna lift it up that way. Oh yeah. Lift it up. Go for that one. 2 more minutes on this side, and then I'm gonna probe it, and we should be where we want to be. All right, let's get. All right, so let me get my probe out. It's already set. I want to see what I'm looking like. Looking at 150. So they're ready. We're gonna take these off. We're gonna take these off, and they're gonna rest for about 10 minutes. Let's get these off right now. See you inside. All right, so here's what the steak looks like. I don't know if you see it. Now it's been resting 10 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut one of these. We'll do it there. So medium rare, medium well. All right. So that's what we're looking like. And we're gonna plate it up and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so that's the finished product. This is gonna be for my wife. She's hungry right now. So I'll do a taste test later. All right, good. Let's get the taste test. All right. Thumbs up. All right. Until the next video. Thank you for watching Cooking with the Robies. Hope you subscribe. Hit that like button. See you on the next one.